Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about control statements in Python. In Python, loops are used to iterate repeatedly over a block of code. In order to change the way of a loop is executed from its usual behavior, control statements are used. Control statements are used to control the flow of the execution of the loop based on a condition. So there are many types of control statements in Python that are break statement, continue statement, and third one is pause statement. And first we are going to discuss about break statement. And what is the break statement? Based on the given condition, the break statement stop the execution. The break statement stop the execution and brings the control out of the loop. So break statement is used to terminate the loop. Once the loop breaks, then the next statement after the break continues. The main reason we could use the break statement is to take a quick exit from a nested loop. It terminates the inner loop and control shift to the statement in the outer loop. The break statement is used with both while loop and for loop. So this is the flowchart of the break statement, and the syntax of the break statement is break. Suppose for example, the example of the break statement. So take the script mode, new file. So now here type the program, and this is the untitled editor window. Here type the program. Suppose for example, country name country underscore name is equal to, inside the double quotation, please enter the name of the country you love. The name of the country you love. So close the double quotation. So this break statement is used for while loop and for loop. Now here I will use while loop. So while while true. So this is the while true colon, press the enter key. Country 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 is equal to input of country name. Now here the country name, input of country name, close the parenthesis, press the enter key. If country is equal country equal to using comparison operator, quit colon, press the enter key. Break statement, break, else colon, print my favorite country is plus country dot title. Close the bracket, press the enter key. First save this program. Go to the file, click the save button. Okay, file name is break statement loop, any file, give the any file dot py extension and select the location. Click on this save button, and after that run this program. click on the go to the run, click on the run module. So the output will be displayed on the Python console window. So now here please enter the name of your country, India. So now here condition is not satisfied. Now here if the condition is satisfied, what is the condition? If country equal to kit, if this condition is satisfied, break statement is stop the execution. Break statement is used to stop the execution. So now the condition is not satisfied. Now here I am entering, please enter the name of the country you love. I am entering India. So condition is not satisfied. So my favorite country is India. And once again they are asking, please enter the name of the country, UK. Press the enter key. Okay. Here also condition is not satisfied. So because of that, once again repeat the loop. My favorite country is USA. So again loop is repeated. So now here enter quit. Now the condition is satisfied and break statement is used to stop the execution. So this is the concept of break statement. And one more example of the break statement. Age is equal to, please enter your age, please enter your age, close the quotation. So using while loop, while tru true colon age is equal to, now you will enter the age is the integer type, because of that use int class, int of input of age, input of age. Press the enter key. If age is greater than or equal to 18 colon, press the enter key. Print of within the parenthesis, you are eligible to vote, close the quotation. Okay, if age is greater than or equal to 18, you are eligible to vote, and use the break statement and press the enter key. Else if it is false statement, print you are not eligible to vote. You are not eligible to vote. Okay, first save the program and after that run the program. Go to the run and click on the run module. So in the Python console prompt it can ask, so please enter your age. So first I am entering my age is enter 15. So now here condition is not satisfied, age is greater than or equal to 18, condition is not satisfied. Okay, again they are asking, loop it is repeated. So you are not eligible to vote. Again they are asking, enter your age 16. Here also condition is not satisfied, so you are not eligible to vote. Again loop is repeated. Enter the age, I am entering 18. So now here the condition is satisfied, you are eligible to vote. So now here the condition is satisfied. Now here the break statement is used to execute the loop. So this is the concept of the break statement. And second type of the control statement is continue statement. And what is the continue statement? So the continue statement is used to skip the current iteration when the condition is met and allows the loop to continue with the next iteration. So continue statement is used to skip the current iteration when the condition is met and allows the loop to continue with the next iteration. In Python is used to continue running the program even after the program encounters a break continue statement during execution. So the continue statement enables the code to proceed inside a loop and moves on skipping the particular condition. So the syntax of the continue statement is continue. So this is the flowchart of the continue statement. So now where the code start the program code given condition. So using continue statement in the code. If the condition is true, if this loop is repeated, if the condition is false, and it executes the else statement. Suppose for example here for letter letter for letter in inside the quotation 5 space THON close the quotation colon and press the enter key. If letter letter using comparison operator equal to set the quotation space close the quotation colon press the enter key. Use now here the continue statement. What is the continue? What is the definition of the continue statement? Continue statement is used to skip the current iteration. To skip the current iteration when the condition is true and allows the loop to continue with the next iteration. So continue, press the enter key, print within the quotation current letter comma letter. So now here the execution will skip the space. Now here in this program for letters in Python now the space is there. What is the condition here? If letter equal to space, so and every item every element it will check. First check the Python condition is not satisfied the current letter and it splits the P, and next check the second letter Y. So Y equal to space, here also condition is not satisfied. Okay, print the current letter Y, next letter is space. So letter space equal, now where the condition is satisfied, continue statement is used to skip the space space iteration, and next check the T letter, condition is not satisfied the current letter T is finished. Similarly like that save the program and run the module. So in the console window it will execute Python and the space is skipped here. One more example for letter in PRAKASAM Prakasam close the quotation colon press the enter key. Okay, condition if letter equal to, so now the skip iteration is H capital H colon press the enter key. Continue statement press the enter key, print current letter comma letter, press the enter key. So now save the program and run the program. So click on the run module. So now where the every iteration, every element will be checked. Okay, first check the P. If the condition is not satisfied, the current letter P is printed. Next check the R letter. If the condition is not satisfied, the current letter R is printed. And next check the A. If the condition is not satisfied, the current letter A is printed. A is printed on the console window. Okay, and like that in the same manner check it every letter. Okay, now where the H equal to H. If the condition is not satisfied, using the continue statement, it skip the H letter. Okay, the output will be displayed on the console Python console window. So H is skipped here, and this is the continue continue statement. And third one is pause statement. The pause statement is used when you want to do nothing when the condition is met. It does not skip the statement, it does not skip the execution or stop the execution. It just passes to the next iteration. The pause statement is a null operator and is used when the programmer wants to do nothing when the condition is satisfied. So this control statement in Python does not terminate the execution or skip the execution. It simply passes to the next iteration. And the syntax of the pause statement is pause. Coming to the example, coming to the example, the same example, in the same example. So for letter in Prakasam, so now here letter equal to H. Here use the pause statement. So print current letter is equal to letter. So what is the definition of the pause statement? The pause statement is used when you want to do nothing when the condition is satisfied. It does not skip the statement and does not stop the execution. It just passes to the next iteration. Okay, just passes that letter and next iteration. So save the program and run the module. Okay, the output is displayed on the Python console window. PRAKASAM. Now where the letter is equal to H. So condition is satisfied. Just pass the statement and does not stop the execution, does not skip the execution. And this is the concept of control statements. So the control state, there are three types of the control statements, that are the break control statement, continue control statement, and pause control statement with examples concepts.